How to fix Roblox lag in MacBook. Now, oh my, now most of the things you can do to do this is to pretty much decrease textures or any kind of graphics to sacrifice that to get yourself less lag. So first, you can go ahead into your Roblox settings since this is still available for MacBook. Go ahead into your settings and just decrease the graphics. You can do this by going for manual and decreasing it as small as possible. Another is to just go ahead into your MacBook's activity monitor. Just go ahead and search that up in the search bar and just get rid of any background apps that you're not using. Then, if you're done with that, you could also go ahead and try deleting textures. This will sacrifice your textures, but in a way that will give you more FPS, so less lag. So just go ahead into the bottom of your screen or wherever you can find your Roblox app. Go ahead and press on the show in Finder. Once you're there, go to the show package contents by right-clicking on Roblox, then press on contents, resources, then go into platform content. In platform content, go to PC, then your textures. There you can go ahead and select all and then just go ahead and move to trash. You can go ahead into your trash to delete them if you want, and you can reset this by just reinstalling Roblox itself. Now at that point, you can go ahead and try restarting your Roblox game or restarting your MacBook itself to pretty much reset everything else. But those are a few options you can do to potentially decrease lag in your MacBook while playing Roblox. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.